That's pulled away. Pulled away and all the way.
And he bounced on it. Right from the middle of the bat, he was well in control. Gurbaz
loses control of the face of the bat, but as soon as it's checked...
Oh, that is... And he picks up second boundary of the over. That's good going.
Just not sure Haris Rauf was back in his position that Babar Azam wanted him in. He had just returned from looking for the ball in the covers and got back on the ground, and Shaheen Shah pulled again. Next quickly, because it wasn't that short.
Yeah, you're right. It wasn't that short. Yes, fix outside edge. But 8 out of 10 for the effort, and it's a boundary. One bounce over.
That is a good swing length, and he's gone and backed his ability to play this shot.
When in doubt, play the sweep, as they say, so this was managed brilliantly. Good roll of the race and playing it down away from that fielder at square leg.
Drives, gets a run. Half century for Gurbaz. Will be applauded by his teammates. A brilliant innings under pressure. Looking for redemption, he has provided the kind of redemption that Afghanistan required, though slowest of his half centuries. Down the track, tremendous stroke.
Comes down the track, plays it, bounce. Look at this. Follows the ball through, and Ravi Chandra Ashwin saying that he used to bowl to Virender Sehwag, and Sehwag would say that I do not even, bother.
So a huge shot by Rahmanullah Gurbaz, dragged down by Usama. And that went
ready to spin, but here he uses his feet the other way. Just a little push off the front foot so that he can clear his left-hand side. Gets a good swing of the bat. He doesn't hit small sixes either, Rahmanullah Gurbaz. He hits them a long way. That one, 82 metres.
That's gone up in the air. It has gone wide of deep square leg. It has gone for 4.
He has pulled the ball quite well. When as a batter, you're sighting the ball early, you're getting into good positions, and well in control of that stroke. Moves to 90s. Gurbaz.
Well, he's gone for it this time. He's going to have to hurry through. The midfield makes it very, very easy indeed. What an innings this has been. They've come back from the brink. They've come back from a horrible defeat 2 days ago to post 178 without loss for this opening partnership. And Rahmanullah Gurbaz has made his 100 with great style, great confidence, great ability. What a magic moment that is for him.
With this against the Pakistani bowling attack is not a joke.
He's looking for the ball before he goes straight away. He knows he's got just enough time to race through. The misfield, of course, made it even easier. You can see how much that means to him. So a personal goal, but a very, very important innings for that team as well. Horribly beaten in game number 1. They've played themselves into a very good position here. Oh, what's he done this time? He's managed to find the boundary, scooped it over the edge of the circle. So good awareness of where the field is. Good.
Now he's gotten into T20 mold. Gurbaz premeditating, getting the ball in the zone and executing that stroke perfectly once again.
I'll tell you why that was so special as well, because Ralph had also followed him. Over there. Chipped over mid-wicket, chipped over wide of... So successive boundaries and real problems here for Barbara.
And also the bowler, the first one, the slow one, went for a boundary, seam-up delivery going for a boundary. Confusing for the bowler at the moment. Nothing is working. And both these batters are on top at the moment.
Well, the short ball is dealt with, even one innovative, one clever, and this one...
Yeah, now He's dealing with the bowlers with a lot of disdain. He was dismissive with that stroke, once again pulling the ball in front of square. Superb batting from Gurbaz.
All that's guided away very fine. Each of these boundaries has been different, just proving the array of his talents. And although Haris Rauf tried to take the pace off,
Great shot, great drive into the gap for 4. This is lovely batting. He's finding new angles.
Yeah, gave him some room, wanting to bisect that gap through extra cover and mid-off, and perfectly did. Naseem Shah going full into a reverse swing. But the batsman who has scored 100, he's not going to miss out on that opportunity.
There is that slog sweep. Terrific strike from Gurbaz. He's pushing on to a 150 here.
Smart batting. Remember, we are in the second power play still. Only 4 fielders can be outside this. Fantastic shot.
And 300 is very much on the cards. Once again, head down. He runs hard, Gurbaz. He picks up 2. 150 for Gurbaz. It's been a lot of... And it's turning out to be a great innings. An opener getting you a 150 against Pakistan. This is huge. Absolutely huge. Deserves all the accolades, the applause. And congratulated there by Shadab Khan.